Students can achieve $12,000 per year online by leveraging skills, knowledge, and platforms while balancing schoolwork. Making $12,000 per year requires dedication. Here are smart strategies students can use. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and tutoring are effective ways to earn. Several platforms help students earn online, such as Upwork, Shopify, and Amazon Associates. Essential skills include marketing, writing, customer service, time management, and technical skills. Time to earn $12,000 varies. Freelancers can earn it within a year, while dropshipping might take a few months. Challenges include time constraints, building credibility, and marketing competition. Success stories include Sophie, Tom, and Maria, who earned $12,000 per year in various fields. Students should choose a niche, focus on quality, use free resources, set clear goals, and stay consistent. With effort and smart strategies, earning $12,000 per year online is achievable for students while managing studies.